What's up, travelers? So, nandito ako ngayon sa baba ng condo namin, River Gate Residences. This is where we are staying for our trip here in Vietnam, and it's a really nice place near District 1. This is actually District 4, pero you just cross the bridge and it's already District 1. So, right now I'm waiting for my Grab because I booked a food tour with Saigon Free Walking Tours. I was supposed to go with my dad, but he's really tired because medyo nakakapagod talaga yung Mekong Delta Tour. So we did a lot of things today. So I am making this a separate video. So tonight we're gonna go around the city on a motorbike and eat. Yes. I wanna eat a lot of local food. So I'm really excited. For you guys who are new here on my channel, my name is Ian. I'm a travel blogger, photographer, and digital nomad. I travel around Southeast Asia and the Philippines to find the best ways on how you can travel cheap. So if you like traveling and you're always on a budget, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you can be updated every time I upload a video. Kasi best, pwede ka mag-travel nang hindi gumagastos ng ganong kalaki. Pwede mo siyang tipirin, stretch ang budget. So magtiwala lang, mag-subscribe at tuturuan kita. Okay? Let's go and find our Grab. Hey guys, so we're back here. I'm with Bon and Henry from Saigon Walking Tour. Right now we're here. What area is this?
This is the area of District 3.
District 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In Ho Chi Minh City, we have 24 districts, and we have 12 districts.
Wow, 24.
Yeah, 24. Trail by name and trail by number.
That's a lot. Okay, so what are we doing today?
So we are eating just like a traditional, Vietnamese
This
cuisine.
is Vietnamese pancakes. We call this is Banh Xeo because it's just like a cake in US. We call it Vietnamese pancake. That's it.
Normally they use rice flour just pour on the surface of the pan. And do you know it has a yellow color because they will mix of the egg yolk and the turmeric.
Oh, there's egg and turmeric.
Yeah, inside of this we have like some scream, mushroom, pork, bean sprout, and some just like green onion and clam. Yeah,
also
clam. So now I will show you how to eat it, and we have some vegetable like the lettuce, some basil. In Vietnam we have just like a special leaf we call the fish leaf. Can you smell the fish? And this leaf we call this is the wasabi leaf.
Wasabi?
Yeah, you can try the taste. So we have the fish salt, and we have some pickle like carrots and pickle like papaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's try this. Banh Xeo.
Yeah, just like with some more like vegetable. you rather.
Oh,
And dip into the fish sauce.
really that much? That much leaf?
Yeah.
This is a lot of leaf. Let's try this.
Dạ con cảm ơn.
And it's not too spicy.
Do you know how to say thank you in Vietnam? I just say
Are we coming back here? Wow. Oh, these are real. Oh, this is so colorful. Sausage.
String or swing? String.
Yeah.
Yeah. Corn. Green onions and some lettuce. Fried spring and
Okay, so we're trying Vietnamese pizza. It's like a thin crust pizza with like all sorts of toppings. Yeah, let's try it. Good.
good, right?
The taste is not overwhelming. Just almost savory. Let's try. Oh my god! Oh wow! Dang! I should have brought my camera. So we're here at the edge near the river. Wow! So this is called Empire City.
Yeah.
And they can't see us, but they can hear us. So this is called Empire City, and it has a stunning view of downtown area. So I'm still with Haley and Bob. So we're trying out. They say that this is the best coffee here in Vietnam. So this cup here costs about 90,000, and cheapest cup is about 46,000. So yeah, it's like a price of a meal, but let's see if it's really worth. Oh god, that's coffee. That's coffee.
That's coffee, yeah. That's so strong, right?
Wow, this is coffee.
Ngon mà.
Eat that Starbucks.
Ăn thử nhiều quá là cho nên thôi.
What's your ice cream?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's. I wanna cry. I wanna thank Henry and for taking me here. Alright guys, we're gonna finish this and then maybe we're gonna go home. I have work tonight, so yeah. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to book Saigon Free Walking Tours.
Oh my god.
And yeah, so you can ask them to take you here. Trung Nguyen
Legend.
Coffee Legend. Yeah. And say bye guys.
Hi, I'm Harry. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Alright, see you on the next video.